Here's a 2019 Ram 1500. It offers a legendary hauling and towing capability, sophisticated comfort with work-ready durability. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, energy regenerative brakes, trailer hitch receiver, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, keyless go, leather steering wheel, active grille shutters, electronic shift on the fly, and V6 engine. Reputations aren't given, they're earned. At the end of our testing, the decision was unanimous. Hands down, the Ram ran away with this Truck of the Year award. Engineered to get things done. Engineered to be a Ram. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
At Groganstown Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, we're committed to exceptional customer satisfaction. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 6100 North Telegraph Road in Toledo, Ohio.